asks that how if I enter a value in a cell, how it can be pop up in all other cells in the other sheets. Okay, before talking about this, I want to talk about something called absolute references. In this video, I'll explain to you how to use an absolute reference. For that, I have taken a sample worksheet. The employee details, employee staff name, and how hours worked has been given. Okay, and hourly rate has been given. Now we will calculate how much is the salary earned by each staff. For that, we use it as this equal to, click here, put it as asterisk mark, and click on hourly rate, and bang, you got the salary for this employee college month. Now normally what you do, you just double click here, right? If I double click, see what will happen. See, the values are not appearing as per what we are intended, right? So why it's that, like how it went wrong, right? Let me explain to you. First of all, click on the AED80 and see the formula. It's taking C3 as a column 3 along with J2, right? J2 means this hourly rate. But when you move to next row, you can see the formula got changed from C4, right, to J3. Here, there is no J3 here, right? There is no value in the J3. So here you have to fix this. Fix the J2 for all the other stuff for the formula. How you do it? That's called absolute reference. So in order to do that, how you do it, like you need to put a $sign in front of J, and you put a $sign in front of 2, and you enter. Now if you double click, see the magic. Now check the formulas. See, C4 and J2 remain the same. Now here this question is asked that if I want to pop up the total salary into another cell, how you can do it? Just go to the sheet, see here, you want to calculate the total salary, right? Just press equal, go to the employee details, click here, and just enter. So you get the value. In order to fix it, make it as a $sign in front of D and in front of 14, and then enter. So the D and 14 has been locked using absolute reference.